My brain does engage here in about, I don't know, maybe like 15 seconds. My brain, that was my truck. That angle right there, yeah, that was the front of my truck coming up off the ground because this box truck is so fully loaded. Anyways, my brain finally realizes, hey, let's throw a snatch block on this thing, and it might change some things. Oh, not yet, not quite yet. That's what I was looking for. Oh, I think it's coming. There it is. Snatch block 1, snatch block 2. Okay. So my understanding of snatch blocks is they cut the weight ratio in half for each line that you have. Don't quote me on that. I'm not going to pretend like I'm smart. But it worked.